Hi friends, welcome to GK Tech Talk. In today's video, we are going to see how to create different types of lists using HTML5. Okay, so generally we want to show some items, then we have to use the list. There are different types of item. Sometimes we need to provide a description for each and every item. Sometimes we want to number like 1, 2, 3. So those things are ordered type. So sometimes we want to show with the bullet, right? These kind of things we can do with HTML tags. These are all basic tags. Three types of lists we have. We will see one by one. Okay, let's get started. Here previously we already designed this page, so I'm just trying to add here so that we can easily observe what happening. See, first one is definition. So there is a tag called dd. Inside dd you can even provide your list. So for each and everything you can provide a description. Each and every item you can even provide a description of that particular item, okay, using these tags. dd means it's a definition basically. So definition list, dl is the definition list, dd. So you have to start with the dl. It's a definition list. So inside definition list you need to provide your definition and item. Okay, I'm just providing Java. dd definition we have to provide here. I'm simply mentioning some text. I'm just providing some text. Similarly, I'm copy pasting this same item. I'll change the text. MySQL is a database technology. I just written these three items as part of our definition list. Let's see how the output will be. See, so if you use definition list, then you can see the output like this. See, for each and everything we are providing some description, right? Each and every item we are providing some description. This is how we can do it. Just remember, a definition list. Inside the definition list you have to provide definition item and definition. Okay, and it has to start and it has to end. Definition list has to start and end. In between we need to provide our list and list item and the definition. Okay, this is how we can create a definition list. And we have one more list, that is ordered one. Ordered in the sense we have to mention the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can give numbering. I'm just giving the break so that we can differentiate between each and every one here. So ordered list, it will start with OL. Okay, OL means ordered list. So inside ordered list we need to provide our item. So I'm just providing. I'm just providing 3 languages in the ordered list. Okay, so these are the 3 different languages. I'm just simply providing for our example purpose. So if you want, you can even provide a few more and just try it out. Okay, see, ordered list came like this. See, we are getting numbers 1 2 3 and along with the list item. Okay, similar way we can even give unordered list. Unordered list won't get any numbering, so that's why we are calling that as a unordered list. If you want with numbering, then you have to use the ordered list. If you want to define like a definition, you need to use this definition list. Okay, now we'll see unordered list how we can do. These are all very simple tags. You can try it out once and you can use it. So people who already know all these tags, don't worry, we're going to do responsive website making in coming videos. So there maybe you guys will feel better. So maybe these are all basic things, so people will understand very easily. It will be helpful for the beginners who want to start their journey in the HTML. Okay, so the people who already having experience, maybe they may feel it's a very simple thing and no need to learn through my video, but these are the basics. Who wants to learn from scratch, they can go through this video. So without knowing these things, you can't even build a good website. So that's why first we have to be strong with our basics, then we need to try to build a good web application using HTML. So these are, before going through CSS, first we need to be clear with the all HTML tags. Then we can apply styling on top of it and we can change the representation of our web page. So first we are completely completing the HTML tags in this tutorial. In this series we are just giving each and every tag and we are providing how it works, and then finally once we completed all the basic tags in HTML5, then we are going to look into CSS, how we can apply CSS and what is CSS. That and all we can see in upcoming videos. Okay, where we are trying to do unordered list, right? Unordered list, how we can do? You mention UL means unordered list actually. So if you mention UL, I'm just keeping the same list items. So let's see how it will come. See, unordered list will come like this. So there is no numbers, so some dot is coming, right? This is how we can do the lists in HTML5. These are the 3 types we can use based on your need. Okay, so if you want to give with the numbering, definitely you need to go for ordered list. So if you want to give like dot, and even you guys can make it more stylish using applying some CSS. That and all we will see in next videos. Okay, subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends and click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you will get the notification. So we'll meet in next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.